Welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're embarking on a culinary journey to the heart of the Mediterranean to create a true Greek classic, beloved for its comforting flavors, the magnificent moussaka. Imagine tender layers of eggplant, a savory meat sauce, all topped with a creamy, dreamy béchamel. Now for the heart of our moussaka, the rich meat sauce. Heat olive oil in a large pan, add your minced lamb or beef, and break it up as it cooks. Cook until it's beautifully browned all over. This step is crucial for developing a deep, savory flavor base. Once browned, drain off any excess fat. Next, let's build our layers of flavor. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic and sauté with the meat until the onion is soft and translucent. For extra richness, pour in a splash of red wine. Let it bubble and reduce, scraping up the delicious browned bits from the bottom of the pan. Now stir in the crushed tomatoes or tomato puree. It's time for the signature Greek spices. We're adding a pinch of cinnamon, a dash of allspice, and dried oregano, plus salt and pepper to taste. Give everything a thorough mix to combine. Bring the sauce to a gentle bubble, then reduce the heat to low. Cover and let it simmer for at least 30 minutes. This allows the sauce to thicken and the flavors to meld together into a harmonious meat sauce, ready for layering. With our layers perfectly assembled, this beautiful dish is ready for its final transformative journey. Make sure your oven is fully preheated to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This consistent heat is crucial for an even bake from the moment it goes in. Carefully slide your moussaka onto the middle rack and set the timer for 40 to 45 minutes. This is where all those incredible flavors we've built will meld together into something truly special. As it bakes, the rich meat sauce will gently bubble, infusing the tender eggplant, while the creamy bechamel topping puffs up and develops a magnificent golden brown crust. The aroma filling your kitchen will be absolutely irresistible. You're looking for a deep, even color across the top and vigorous bubbling around the edges of the dish. Once you see that, it's time to take it out. But hold on, we're not done yet. The next step is perhaps the most crucial for a perfect moussaka. You must let it rest. Allow the moussaka to sit at room temperature for at least 20 to 30 minutes. This patient wait is essential, as it allows the layers to firm up and set. It's the secret to getting those beautiful, clean slices that hold together perfectly when you serve. After this rest, your masterpiece is finally ready. Like, subscribe, and share for more delicious recipes.